Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to the third episode of Do You Want to Remember the List of the Surahs from the Quran Easy Way? So, in this video, we will be moving on to the third list of 15 surahs, and that is from surah number 31 to 45. In the previous two episodes, we crafted a story which was woven with the characters so that are we actually help ourselves to remember this list of the surahs easy way. So if you haven't watched these videos, then I recommend that you do watch the previous two videos, episode 1 and episode 2, so that you will have a better understanding of how things are moving. So in this video, in episode 3, we will discuss the surahs from surah number 31 to 45. So as I have mentioned earlier in the previous two videos, that our mind basically works on two principles. The first is on the principle of association. It links things which we already know to things which we do not know, and it makes association and it helps us to remember it. And to reinforce this learning, once we have this association of things in our mind, once we repeat these things over and over again, it becomes a permanent memory and it is stored in our long-term memory. So it becomes a memory wherein we can retrieve it each and every time we want for our own self. So based on these two principles, we will move on to our third episode, starting from surah number 31 to surah number 45. In this episode, we have a particular pattern which will help us understand and remember more easily. The pattern is like this, that we are having here characters of male and female. This is two of the pattern which you will find, and by this icon you will see that this is a male, and with this icon you will see that this is a female. Apart from this, there are three surahs which are classified under the combined forces like this: Azab, surah number 33, and we have As-Safat, that is again drawn up in ranks, which is again classified under groups. And we have Az-Zumar itself, then this is the groups. So wherever you find this icon, this is related with the groups. So we have this third category, which will help you to get a pattern and remember the names of the surahs as we move on. So with this, all the instructions and the groundwork, we will start creating the story which will help us to remember this list of surahs in this episode from surah number 31 to 45. So let's begin. So as we will take as a reference the last name of the surah in the previous episode, that was Surah Ar-Rum, that is Ar-Rum, the Romans. So taking that as reference, we will proceed. So Ar-Rum, the Romans saw a person, that is a male by name Luqman. The Romans saw a person by name Luqman, and this person was doing prostration. He was in sujud. He was doing prostration. And once this person was doing prostration, this Roman saw the clans, a group of forces, a group of people, group of forces, combined forces. And in this group of forces, there were three leaders basically. And these three leaders were by name Sabah, Fatir, and Yasin. The first leader was a woman, and then the second was Fatir, and the third was Yasin. And this Fatir and Yasin were the male leaders. So this Azab, this group of people, the combined forces had three leaders: Sabah, Fatir, and Yasin. And as this build up, there was another down the line. These three leaders with this combined forces, they drawn up themselves into ranks, and they were categorized. And then when they were categorized, there came a person by name Saad. There came a person by name Saad. And this person also had groups of people. This person was also having groups of people. I hope so far so good. You are getting connected with this story. And moving on to the 40th surah, that is, these groups were the groups of the believer. And here a point to be noted is that the 40th surah is called by two names at the same time. Somewhere you will find Al-Mumin as well as Al-Ghafir. And somewhere you will find only one of the name of the 40th surah. And subsequently, the 41st surah also has two names. So one of the name is Fussilat and the other name is Hamim Sajda. So this is for your clarity. So here we are taking the first name, that is here Al-Mumin for the 40th surah. And then also for the 41st surah, we are taking the first name here as Fussilat. So this person by name Saad has groups of people, and then these groups were the believers, that is Al-Mumin, and they were explaining in detail. They were explaining in detail to their leader, to Saad, and they were consulting Saad, and they were consulting and explaining in detail about the ornaments of gold. They were discussing, they were explaining in detail and consulting about the ornaments of gold. And as they were doing this, that is, they were discussing, explaining in detail, and consulting about the ornaments of gold, they saw the smoke in front of them, and this smoke made them to kneel down. And this smoke in the surrounding made them to kneel down. So this is the story itself. Now we will link this story to the names of the surahs, and that will again help you in associating and remembering it easily. So moving on, as soon as this the Romans saw Luqman, this surah is named by name Luqman, and this person Luqman was doing sujud, that is as-sajda. He was prostrating, so it was as-sajda. And then when this person was doing sajda, there came a combined forces, the clans, and this were called as Al-Ahzab. Al-Ahzab. And the leaders of this Al-Ahzab, these clans, were Sabah, Fatir, and Yasin. Sabah was a woman, and Fatir and Yasin were the men. And once they have these three leaders disciplined their combined forces into ranks, and that is as-Safat. As-Safat. And they were in ranks, these combined forces. And upon drawing them in ranks, there came a person by name Saad. There came a person by name Saad, and that is the Surah As-Sad or Surah Saad. And then this Saad, this person had groups, that is Az-Zumar. This person has groups, that is Az-Zumar, and these groups were Al-Mu'min, that is, these groups were the believers, Al-Mu'min, Al-Mu'min. And this led to these believers to explain in detail, that is Fussilat, explain in detail. And what they were explaining in detail, they were explaining in detail and also consulting, that is, they were doing Fussilat as well as Ashura, that is consulting about Az-Zukhruf, that is ornaments of gold. They were explaining in detail and consulting about Az-Zukhruf, that is ornaments of gold. And as soon as they were doing this activity, they saw the smoke, that is Ad-Dukhan, Ad-Dukhan. They saw Ad-Dukhan, the smoke in the environment. And this led them to do kneeling, that is crouching, bending their bodies and doing kneeling and be in the kneeling position. And that is Al-Jasiyah, Al-Jasiyah. So this is the 15 surahs which are woven in a story to associate it with them, and then which will help you to remember the list of the surahs altogether from list of surahs in this episode from surah number 31 to 45. So I hope that this is making sense and it has helped you to glance it over again and again and remember the list of the surahs. And if you have found this video helpful, please do share your comments below, and also know your feedback as how did you find this video helpful to you. And if you have found this video helpful, also do share with your loved ones. So inshallah, I'll be back with the next episode, episode number 4. We will be discussing the next 15 surahs, and inshallah we will continue till we reach the last surah of the Quran, that is surah number 114, inshallah. Jazakallahu khair for watching. Inshallah, see you again soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.